Let's continue our backtesting. We had our change of character to the downside. And then you have our supply zone just here. So what's our plan here? I just need to see the price coming here and give us confirmation, then we sell, sorry. And if we don't get confirmation, then wait for the pullback, then we buy. Right? As simple as that. As simple as that. Let it tap in, then we didn't get that confirmation. So this is a change of character to the upside external structure. And this is our, let's see, clean. How do we enter this trade? It's very, very simple. You can see, have a break and the retest, 30 minutes. Then got 50 minutes for our entry. And our entry is here. Stop loss just below. Then we target here, 1 to 4. We didn't get that tag, and this always okay. Because that tag late, it's not advisable to take a trade at that time. And we didn't get that tag. And even me myself, I couldn't take that trade because of the time. London session was closed, New York session was closed. So what time is this? Still late in the morning. I think this is a clean trade. After getting that confirmation, once again, still have to go for this, but 4 is better. Then move our break even here. At that moment, it's just a waiting game. Just need to wait and see what really happens. But the moment the price comes, take out this first one, you take out 75%, then you leave the 25% on the break even to see if you can make some more money without leaving any money on the table. So you have a breakout structure. To the upside, I think it's external. Yeah, it's external structure. No, it's internal, external structure. The break was for 15 minutes, right? Still, it's a break. And our new swing low is here. and our demand zone is here. We need to wait for London open. Here, that's a confirmation. Stop loss below here. You don't need to put your stop loss this side. Why? For better risk to reward. And the moment the price come below this, automatically is going to take out also this swing low. Right? But sometimes it can come down and then continue up, but it's better. 1, 2, and 1 to 5. Then automatically you move your break even, your stop loss to break even here. And then break even hit. See, the moment the price come here, it's gonna come down and take out this. So you don't need to put your stop loss just down here. It's better you put it just here. Then we got a sweep, then another entry. I think I had news. Yeah, I had news. Tunnel structure shifted bearish. Then we have a lot of liquidity just up here. And then got our continuation to the downside. Then have our demand zone just here. With that tap, and we need our confirmation. Haven't got that confirmation, then you get it. But the entry is a little bit tricky. Tight stop loss, and it just goes up. It will happen to you most of the time. Just the price going up without you and going down still without you. It's normal. It's normal in the market. Forget about this stuff of just missing out a trade. Sometimes the price Sometimes the market can just come down and shift. I'm gonna have it a little bit lower, I think up to here. I prefer the here. I prefer putting my demand zone there because of this liquidity here. It's better. The market can move in your direction without getting entry. It's normal. It doesn't mean that you're a bad trader. It means that you're just a disciplined trader. You trade according to your plan, according to your age. That's the only way you're going to become profitable. You're not going to become profitable just predicting price, just guessing direction. It doesn't work like that. You need to be extremely disciplined, extremely patient. Sorry, apologies. Then I need this confirmation. At what time is it? Yeah, I need that confirmation. Yeah. Not yet in. I need to see that pullback. And then, what time is it? It's already late. You see what's really happening? We know the direction, we got the direction and everything, but still we're not getting entry. That's live trading. Then if impatient, you're going to start chasing the market, you're going to start rushing because you want to get that money, because you want that. But the most important thing is to be patient. And you wait for that opportunity. Then you take that opportunity without hesitating, right? Because there's no need for rushing into the market. Because you have over 25 pair. You can, if you don't get that entry on gold, you can get it on GU. If you don't get that entry on GU, you can get it on Euro USD. If you don't get that on Euro USD, you can get that on GBP JPY, USD JPY, because I'm going to make all the backtesting for all those currencies. But just to be patient and you see what really happens in between and what's really the market price movement and everything. Have our demand zone here and have our extreme demand zone just down here. It's not a must that you have to wait for the price to come below here. You can still get entry here, right? It depends on the market volume. demand zone disrespected, then it's a sell breaker block, but the color I don't like it. I had to shift. We need to see this tab, then you get a offer, then we sell it. We need to see something like this. When you get confirmation, then we sell it. Then we didn't. You can see our supply zone just here. Then we just continue selling it. We have a break of structure downside, and then you have our break of, you can see you have to wait. Plenty of liquidity. Yeah, let's see if we get our information from there. Yeah, 30 minutes, we can see maybe we got that. At what time is it? It's late in the night. Seeding session, we don't take any trade in seeding session. We don't. It's not advisable. We don't take that. Then the price shifted again back. Then it's a demand zone right now. Then this is change of character to the upside. Then we need to see here. Then we got our confirmation from here. Then it come back on 15 for our entry. What time is it? Yeah, New York is about to open and everything is going to be following up, and we don't need to overcomplicate and take a lot of trades, because we're trying to trade what really matters. Then you can see you have a break, then you retest, then you need to see this pullback, then it will, yeah. At what time is this? Early in the morning. Yeah, had plenty of liquidity here, and our stop loss was just inside the liquidity pool, so you can take that loss. And we still have more liquidity here. Let's see what really happens. Yeah, have a change of character at the downside. Still bullish external and bearish internal. Our supply zone, first supply zone, which is this one, and the second supply zone, extreme supply zone, which is this one. We need to see London open. Got that tap, and then yeah, you can get this clean one. You can just enter from here. Still have liquidity down, but no need to wait. We're here to collect data. So I want to see what really works and what time is it? Oh, it's already late. We need to land and open. There you can see you have a break. The market is still bullish. External. That means we had a demand zone here, which it was disrespected, and then we need to see a body candle close to the downside from here. Before we sell, we have it now. It didn't. That's a liquidation. It happened. Then we need to go to 15 minutes for our entry. The last sell candle. Like I said, it also have a break of structure to the downside. But still you have to take this trade of ours. Our stop loss just here. And the market just moved down without us, like without our entry. Let's see. It went straight our take profit. Now you can't just buy because external structure is bullish, but the internal structure is bearish. We need to see both, like before you buy or before you sell. It depends. Let's see how really it goes. Need to make it a little bit faster. We had news. Came tapped into our supply zone, went straight. And this was news, right? Yeah. Balance of trade. You always have to be updated about fundamental analysis, about news. You have to do your fundamental analysis on time, early in the morning, even before you do your analysis, your daily analysis. Now we have shifted bearish.